I'm Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and I'm in the garage today. I already did some show snoveling. Wow. Snow shoveling. There we go. I don't give a shit if I have to do retakes. I don't do retakes half the time. I'm on the Mustang. That is the engine. There's the hood. The old... Doesn't look like it's dented. That just looks like the shitty paint. But I've noticed on the inside of this, that's green. So I'm gonna clean that all up. Get that will be painted black. And I've already cleaned it all around here. I screwed up and I broke this piece. This piece is right here. The window washer fluid thing. Sure, I could probably reconnect that and get some glue, but I can probably find another one because I've seen many of these. It's a 2-to-1, whatever. Fuck, I can probably make one. It's really not hard. You get a chunk of plastic, drill a hole in, and then you drill in the, so you go 2 holes in, then drill in to the end of those 2 holes, and put on that, and then you drill a hole through it, the rest of the chunk of plastic for the bolt hole. That's it. It's very simple. Today I want to get those out. So that's what these are, the engine mounts. This is the right, and that's the left over there. So it's very simple. Got a torque, well, not a torque wrench. I got a factory. Torque wrench is right there, and over there, and over there. But I got to clean it more, because I don't want to just put in new parts and not have this cleaned. I do want to take it apart. These have to get redone. Like, yes, it's going to be still junker looking, but I want to clean up because I can't just paint right yet with all this other shit here. That blower motor right there, I'm pretty sure that's messed up. I don't believe that works. I haven't tried to put a 12 volt on it yet. I should. Surprisingly, the battery mount survives. I could put the rad in because I don't want to be putting the rad in after the engine's already in. Or actually, no, you know what? That probably is an easier way, is to put the engine in before the rad, because most likely this front bracket, which, no, you know what? No. And rad's going to go in first, then I'll put the engine in. But the problem is, I've got with this engine is from the little issue I had made. Well, one, there's a broken bolt somewhere along here. I don't know. Or is it on the right hand side? Yeah, this one here, the timing cover. Let's just try to move this out of the way. Damn transmission. Come on, get off. Sorry, caught right there. Yeah. So, that is a jerry-rigged bolt. It is not supposed to be what it's supposed to be there. I don't think you can even see that. But there's that. And I've got a bolt probably... Where are you? Right here. There's supposed to be a bolt there. So, on the oil pan, which is kind of a bad spot. I don't even know if you can see that. If you can, you can. But it's, you know, you break a bolt head off there. Like the Thunderbird, it's actually, these are your oil pan bolts as well. So the Thunderbird has a busted bolt there. But the old one, it's not mounted. Yeah, I'm going to have to take all this off. All the timing cover, the harmonic balancer, everything. Because the timing cover has to get changed. I found one on Parts Avatar for 155 bucks. I'm not really sure about spending that kind of money on, well, you know what, that's nothing. I wouldn't doubt people have spent thousands of dollars on stupid Lee parts because, oh, I bought it at Summit. You fuck that. Not stupid. Does this make me money? No. This is going to get it plugged eventually because I don't even... Was that an oil pressure thing? I really don't remember what that is. I'm pretty sure it's, well, no, temperature sensor, but it leaks, and that's not good. So it is what it is. Intake is going to get changed to a 4-barrel at least. This 2-barrel piece of crap can't stay. It just can't. Oh God. What? Gonna clean this up. It's a headache, but it's been, I think, 18 months, 19 months since I've done it. July of 2020 was the last video I did of this car. But I don't know. I'll put it in the description right there. I don't know where that is, but I'm gonna get to it. So it's done. It has literally been painted, but it's also been, you know, almost 2 months, because it's January 28th now that I'm filming this, and the last part was filmed in December 2nd. So it is black. Those are the old inline 6 200. And the mounts are in there. So one of these only had 3, or 2, and the other one had 3. So that comes with a 2-bolt setup, and yeah, it is what it is. Looks a lot better, cleaner. Stop it from rusting out. And yes, the Mustang hood's not here. So it's been scraped, cleaned. You see this? Oh, so they had painted something under there, and then this weird, feels like almost like a cheap rock guard. Oh, apparently I didn't get it all off. All the loose shit. Because I'm just gonna literally rust guard it. There we go. Actually, speaking of rust guard, I'm gonna do it right now. I know you're not supposed to do painting in the winter, but I don't care. Whatever. Okay, yeah, I remember this paint can. I'm gonna stop this and go get gloves. I'm gonna do this one-handed recording, so just simple. And I don't care for the top to be colored different. Yes, I know I'm gonna have back spray. You should never do this in the winter. I don't advise it for anybody else to ever do it. But I just don't care. If you stay at the right angle, it won't work. It won't be bad. Like, see, this is why I need gloves. It's nasty. Am I a pro at painting? No. I downright suck at it. But I don't care. Oh, he's painted his milk crate. You get them free at the grocery store. Who cares? I know there's people that sell those things. It's pretty pathetic. You know, how poor are you? You have to sell milk, buy milk crates, or sell them. And for those that are naive enough to buy them, God. Alright, I'm gonna get this done, and we'll see what she looks like. You see this hood is done. It is actually looking pretty slick. I'm gonna let that dry, so I'm gonna put boards on my fenders, and I can't touch anything because I still got my paint gloves still on. So turned off my alright, got some boards, old fence board stuff. So I need these. One in the middle, one of those are back out of the way, because the hood was up here at one point, and I vacuumed it all out of there. Okay, so there's one because there's a raised part in the middle. 2 and 3. This will prevent it from being a pain in the ass. The only thing I'm worried about is, oh, that's got to get moved. There we go. No, on the intake. Here we go. And just have it cleaned up, because that's all I'm really doing. I could go show you the intake the timing cover case, but honestly, it won't make a difference, because it's a timing cover case. It's a timing cover case. We've all seen them. We all know what they are. Just get this over. Here's a better look. So it obviously, yes, it looks like shit, because there's like different parts of the things, like, because I didn't clean it completely right down to the bare metal. I wasn't planning on doing that. If I clean it to the bare metal, then I have to prime it. You have to do all those other things. I'm just rust painting it so it stops it from rusting up again. There's nice parts, there's shitty parts. I did get a bit on the front, because here's your trim. Yeah. And that just locks in. There's 6 points. I'm missing one, so I'll have to find one. Don't really have to, but it would be nice. But I think that's it. It's the latest on the Mustang. There's not really... I should be having the engine in, but the problem is I've got the property. So progress on this is gonna like be super slow, because I have to get that done. Otherwise, I lose my permit, and I have 2 years to get that barn done. Barn done means just walls and roof. As long as it's covered up, I can say I've done it, and afterwards I can work on the inside. So I'm just doing framing and plywood and the roof trusses. I'm Duff, little middle of nowhere. That's Saf. You good, girl? Yeah. And like always, have a good one.